Hello, my name is Usha and today I am going to explain everything about intimation under section 143(1). Most of the people think that e-verification is the last step of ITR filing, but no. E-verification is not the last step of ITR filing. After e-verification, the IT department processes your ITR and later it sends an intimation notice. Once the ITR is filed, the IT department recomputes the total income of a taxpayer with computerized system and provides a comparison with the data filled by the taxpayer and sends it in the form of intimation notice. There are generally these three types of intimation under section 143(1). First, intimation with no demand or no refund, that is no change. This generally happens if the department has accepted the return as filed without carrying out any changes or adjustments to it. This intimation comes in blue color. Second, intimation determining demand. This is issued in case of changes or adjustments made under section 143(1) due to a discrepancy found and tax liabilities arrived at. This intimation comes in red color. Third, intimation determining refund. This is issued in case of refund amount wherein no discrepancy is found in the return file. This intimation comes in green color. Let's check out how the intimation under section 143(1) are received. These intimation notices are usually auto-generated and sent to the email ID that you have used while filing your ITR or used it at the time of registration on the IT portal. The sender of these emails is CPC, that is Central Processing Center, with the email ID intimations@cpc.gov.in, as the ITR are processed at CPC only. Nowadays, with sending of intimation under section 143(1), a text message is also generated on your registered mobile number. Moving forward to password to open intimation order. Intimation notices are generally password protected files. Password for this would be your PAN in lowercase followed by date of birth in date, month, year format. Now let's understand why the intimation order under section 143(1) is issued. Basically, when a return is submitted to the IT department, the department applies the following computerized checks as a part of its review procedure. Arithmetical errors in the return, an incorrect claim. For example, if the deduction under section 80C is claimed more than the maximum permissible deduction under section 80C, that is rupees 1,50,000, the excess shall be disallowed and it will be reflected in your intimation under section 143(1). Comparison of advance tax, self-assessment tax and TDS, etc. from 26AS. Addition of income appearing in Form 26AS or Form 16A or Form 16 which is not included in ITR. Claiming the losses for carry forward to next year when return is submitted after the due date, or set off losses of previous year where return was filed after the due date. Calculation of tax, late filing fees and interest, etc. Till when can I receive intimation under section 143(1)? Intimation under section 143(1) can be issued up to 1 year from the end of the financial year when you filed your ITR and not after that. You are required to submit the response within 30 days of receipt if any action is required. Let's understand what should be done on receiving intimation under section 143(1). On receiving intimation under section 143(1), there will be two cases. Either you will agree to the computation sent by the department or you will disagree. In case if you agree with the computation sent by the department and there is a demand, then simply pay the demand amount. In case if you are disagreeing to the computation sent by the department, then you can file a revised return or rectify your return or even file an appeal under section 246A. So, intimation under section 143(1) doesn't necessarily mean that you are in a trouble. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned to TaxBuddy for more such content.